One of MAPCON's most valuable features is the Work Order Resource Scheduler. In this tutorial, we will look at the basic MAPCON scheduler, including how to add and remove work orders from the schedule, calendar views, understanding warning messages, and setting user preferences. Once logged into MAPCON, click the Maintenance tile found on the main menu screen. Click on the Scheduling menu, and now select Basic Resource Scheduling. In this module, users will see a list of work orders on the left and a schedule on the right. A column currently labeled Employees is found next to the calendar. Above the calendar is a drop-down for users to choose which site they want to schedule for. Changing the site will also change the work order list accordingly. The calendar can be viewed three ways. The daily view is the default view for scheduling work orders. The monthly view will show daily totals of PMs and repairs for each day in the month. And the semi-annual view shows a 6-month period of the calendar year you're working in. The arrow buttons at the top will allow users to view dates in the future as well as the past. First, to ensure all necessary work orders are available to the schedule, click this button to add incomplete work orders from the previous weeks into the list below. Now that all of the desired work orders are available, scheduling the work orders is as simple as clicking and dragging the work orders from the list on the left to the date it's needed in the calendar. Note that work orders can only be scheduled for the current day or a future day. The system will not allow a work order to be scheduled in the past. Multiple work orders can be selected by clicking and shift-clicking. When all of the desired work orders are selected, they can all be scheduled with a single drag and drop into the calendar. Once in the schedule, work orders can be right-clicked to either be removed from the schedule or copied to another day. When all of the work orders are set, click the Save icon to save and dispatch. When entering work orders into the schedule, there's a potential for a warning message to appear. This particular circle indicates that the work order is overdue. Other warnings include if a work order is mismatched to the chosen employee or if materials needed are on back order and unavailable. These messages do not prevent the work order from being scheduled. The work orders are found on the left and are all color-coded based on priority. This list can be rearranged to suit the user's preference. This preference button in the center allows users to set their viewing preferences. For example, users can change whether they want to view the resource schedule by craft or by employee. Selecting craft will organize the schedule by the designated crafts available. The work orders placed in the calendar remain, but are now organized by their assigned craft rather than by a certain employee. I can also decide whether I want to be able to schedule for the current day and whether or not to allow for weekend scheduling. Disabling weekend scheduling removes Saturday and Sunday as options for the scheduling on the calendar. Hover mode allows me to see additional information about the work orders on the screen. Now, leaving the cursor over the work order will show additional information. These settings can be changed at any time and by the individual users, so their specific preferences will be remembered each time they log in. Additionally, this final button allows users to run reports of the schedule in a variety of ways, as seen here. Be sure to check out our tutorials on the Advanced Scheduling module. Thank you for choosing MAPCON.